The Stalin Note, also known as the March Note, was a document delivered to the representatives of the Western Allies from the Soviet Union in Germany on 10 March 1952. Soviet Premier Joseph Stalin put forth a proposal for a German reunification and neutralization with no conditions on economic policies and with guarantees for the rights of man and basic freedoms, including freedom of speech, press, religious persuasion, political conviction, and assembly and free activity of democratic parties and organizations. James Warburg, a member of the United States Senate Committee on Foreign Relations, testified before the committee on 28 March 1952 and observed that the Soviet proposal might be a bluff, but he thought that it seemed that our government is afraid to call the bluff for the fear that it may not be a bluff at all and might lead to a free, neutral, and demilitarized Germany, which might be subverted into Soviet orbit. That led to an exchange of notes between the West and the Soviet Union, which eventually ended after the West had insistence for a unified Germany to be free to join the European defense community and to be rearmed, demands that Stalin rejected. West German Chancellor Konrad Adenauer and the Western Allies characterized Stalin's move as an aggressive action that attempted to stall the reintegration of West Germany. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.